Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amiruddin bin Muhammad Azhar. In this video, me and my group will talk about the theory of leveling and our fieldwork project in this chapter. First thing first, let me introduce my teammates. First, we have Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Noor, and second we have Muhammad Hamzani bin Muhammad Hamzah, and third we have Zahan Nizam bin Zaid. And the last one is me, Muhammad Amiruddin bin Muhammad Azhar, and my registration number is 01DKA21F1149. So, let me invite our first presenter to talk about our project.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Noor. My matric number is 01DKA21F1078. Today, I want to present about theory of leveling. Leveling is a process of transferring head of a datum from one point to another. It is used in engineering to establish building elevation, layout of highway, determination of floodplain, calculate volume in earthworks, design and layout of sewage and water lines, develop topographic maps, and student crustal earth movement. Leveling operation is a level reading can be taken either from one location, one setup leveling, or from various stations. If some points of interest are not visible, a level survey can be used for setting up purpose the presentation of soil, porphyry, etc., as will be discussed later in the subject. Basic definition of backside BS: first staff reading taken immediately after setting up the instrument. Foresight FS: that's staff reading taken before moving the instrument to another location. Intermediate sight IS: or reading taken between BS and FS. So if the instrument is set up at one location only, there will be just one BS, first reading to TBM, one FS, last reading, and several is. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hamzani bin Muhammad Hamzah from DKA2C. My matric number is 01DKA21F1079. I will talk about the equipment that used in the fieldwork. The equipment is two level measuring tool. The function level measuring tool is to measure the accuracy of the distance between one area point required by the engineer. Number 2 is floor measurement staff. The function floor measurement staff is to measure vertical distance above or below the alignment line. Number 3 is tripod. The function tripod is to prepare the leveling tool. And the number 4 is hammer. The function hammer that to hit the umbrella nail that served as a sign. Number 5 is bubble staff level measurement. The function bubble staff level measurement is to ensure the setup is erected exactly upright. And the number 6 is measuring tape. The function measuring tape is to measure the distance from the level tool to the staff. Number 7 is umbrella nail. The function umbrella nail is to set the location of a new stepping stone and servo staff placed on the umbrella nail. And lastly is the external book. The function external book is to record headings and make adjustable level calculation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Puan Maizan. My name is Zahan Nizam bin Zaid. My matric number is 01DKA21F1102. So today I will show you about analysis and data calculation. So the first, in the content in the table below, you can see BS is backside, intermediate side IS, and FS foresight, rise, fall, reduce level, and remarks. Okay, first you should know how to find fall and rise. So if you minus any of BS, IS or FS, if you get negative, you will get fall, and if you get positive, you will get rise. Next is reduced level. So how to find the reduced level? So reduced level come from benchmark. So here we can see the benchmark is 15. So if you want the find the next RL is, if rise you should plus, and if fall you should minus. So if everything is done, after that you should do a arithmetical check to identify if our calculation is true or false. So the formula for the arithmetic check is total BS minus to total FS, and total rise minus to total fall, and total RL last minus to total RL first. So here we get the same answer, is that 4.722. So it means our calculation is true without any error. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Zahanizam. Then I will continue about comments and conclusion of this fieldwork project. The conclusion is, the result of the leveling can be right and less precise due to the errors that happen during the leveling project at the field. There are 5 errors that can occur at the field. First, instrumental errors, errors of manipulation, errors due to settlement of level and stuff, errors due to natural causes, common mistake in leveling. Instrumental errors. Imperfect adjustment, also the most common and serious source of the error. It can be eliminated by testing and adjusting the instrument, and by equalizing the backside foresight distance. Defective level tube, shaky tripod, incorrect gradation of stuff. Errors of manipulation. In the errors of manipulation, there are careless leveling up of the instruments, the bubble not being centered at the time of taking reading, the parallax not removed properly, the stuff not being held vertical. Then for the errors due to settlement of level and stuff, there is 2 problems, the settlement of level and the settlement of stuff. Then error due to natural causes. The curvature and refraction and the wind and sun was the natural causes can cause error to the leveling project. And the last one, common mistake in leveling. The leveling stuff not being fully extended, the stuff held upside down, reading the stuff upwards instead of downwards, taking reading coincidence with one of the stadia hairs, top or bottom, instead of central hair, omitting and entering a reading in the wrong column, reading of the wrong number of meters and decimeters. In addition, all of these errors can be eliminated with the right solution because there has permissible limits of error in leveling. The permissible closing error may be expressed as E equal to C square root km, where E equal to the error in meters, C the constant, the value of which depends upon the type of instrument, nature of the country, atmospheric condition, and care and judgment of the levelman. Km equal to the distance in kilometer. First, roof leveling, E equal to plus minus 0.100 square root km. Second, ordinary leveling, E equals to plus minus 0.025 square root kilometer. And third, accurate leveling, E equal to plus minus 0.012 square root km. And fourth, precise leveling, E equals to plus minus 0.006 square root kilometer. That's all from me, and that's all from us. Thank you.